Hello and welcome to Tim Connolly Drums. I am Tim Connolly, a professional drummer with 50 years experience playing drums and 38 years of teaching. If you're interested in drums and you want to learn how to play drums and you're interested in lessons, my channel is definitely for you. If you're interested in gear and gear reviews, I also do gear reviews. If you're interested in drum reaction videos, I have lots of reaction videos. I'm always doing something new and exciting and fun. I'm extremely excited about drumming and music, so please come and check out my channel, Tim Connolly Drums. You won't regret it. You're just going to become a better drummer. Let's get your groove on. We'll see you soon. Take care. Okay, so now we're going to head to the funk ghost notes. This is where the real ghost noting happens. If you check out guys like David Garibaldi, Rick... Nice fills. I love those concert toms. They're so high pitched. I love that. It's really important to get a teacher. A good teacher should motivate you. A good teacher should make you excited about drumming, excited about learning, and always motivating you to get better. I have here the Yamaha EAD10 drum mic / trigger. So that's what a halftime groove sounds like, and that's what it sounds like to shift from regular time to halftime. Join me again soon. I got lots more stuff coming. Keep drumming and take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.